Hello everybody, so today we're demonstrating how you can make the honey oat scrub. So we're going to start with this. Prep time is going to be around 5 minutes. What you're going to need is a measuring cup, a container to put your scrub in, the coconut oil, organic cold pressed coconut oil if you can find any, and then you're gonna get some brown sugar, like these are brown sugar, so from any stores. Then in Hong Kong, this is like the brand that is popular. 10 drops of essential oil, we got this from Muji, and eucalyptus, you can use whatever you like. And then honey, we get it like the store-bought brand. Since we're using it for the body, we're not using like too expensive of an item, just for economical reasons. And of course you can always add a little bit more fancier stuff, because we already got it in the kitchen, so we might as well use it anyway. We got this sweet almond oil, like you can use a couple drops of it because we cannot really cook with it, so we might as well use it. Oh, and then you're gonna get this brand with Quaker. This is a Chinese version of it, and this has like a fine grain, if you can see, so it's so cluttered right here. So this is a fine grain. They already grinded it, so you don't need to put it through the machine again. So today we're gonna make a huge batch because we're running out already, and then I got a lot because my family they requested that I make more of these because I did a pretty good job last time. So I'm gonna make some more just to thank them. So yeah, next we're just gonna start. Let me just follow this recipe. So let's start with, in a small mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients. That includes the organic sugar. So we're just gonna do it. So sugar, you're gonna get 3/4 of a cup. It's super messy, so just gonna do it over the sink. 3/4 of a cup. So we're gonna have this 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Let me put it back to the bag first. Oh my gosh, it's already wet. Okay, let's see. Let's put it back to the bag. And just wash my hands real fast. Alright, so we're gonna pour the dry ingredients. So 3/4 of a cup into this mixing bowl like thing. And then we're gonna get how much? 1/4 of the oats. Let's see if we already have something that's already open, so we don't have to do it again. I guess not. It's already, that's all we got. So let's just use this for now. We're gonna open this one. Oops. It's gonna be messy, hopefully not. So how much do we need? We need 1/4 cup of raw oats. 1/4, so which is not as much as we thought. So we're gonna open this guy up with a pair of scissors. Oh my gosh. Let's just open this up. And then 1/4. Oops! Oh no. Let's do this. 1/4. 1/4. Okay, you know what? This is getting very messy. So we might want to clean the desk first. The countertop a little bit. So let's just clean it first. This is getting super messy and we don't want that. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm gonna clean this up. Tidy this area. So now, just gonna clean this up. Oops. So messy. Oh my gosh. you know what? We're gonna put it in a mixing bowl because it's such a mess and we don't want that. So just put it in a mixing bowl before we pour the things in. It's too much of a mess. So then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. So let's just measure the coconut oil into this thing. Just quite a bit of coconut oil actually. This thing, when we got it, it was like really expensive. So let's just use a spatula. We got this spatula from Donkey, and I forgot if it's gonna be heat resistant or whatever. We don't know. But it's supposed to be quite good, and it doesn't fit. Oh no, it doesn't fit. So unfortunately, we have to use this side. Just kind of squeeze in, so it's a 1/4 cup. And then just, so the good news is that we might as well just use it up, because this thing has been sitting in here for a while. So then, okay, it's getting so messy. Okay, so then let's just pour it in. Oops. So pour this guy up into the coconut oil. So then we're gonna wash our hands, it's so messy. So then next we're gonna add the waxing honey. Let's just put a little bit of waxing honey in here. This is the waxing honey. So let's just put it in there. A 1/4 cup. Okay, so that's a lot of honey. Tastes really good. So then because we got this guy and it's supposed to be really good. This is mint powder and we rarely use it, so I might as well get some of that in there. This is like, oops, really detoxing. It's a secret recipe ingredient. Oops, so much powder. Just, oops, everywhere. We just arbitrarily add a little bit in there. We got it. Oops, the powder is like everywhere. We got it from Amazon. It wasn't really cheap. It's like some Indian stuff that is good for your skin. So I'm gonna put it in there and gonna pour in the honey, which is like gonna be really messy. So we're just gonna use a spatula and then continue to. The powder is like everywhere. So let's just put it in here. So we're making this body scrub that is going to be very nourishing for your skin, and it has no preservatives and very good for you. And since I'm making a batch, I might as well use it. So this honey is super sweet and delicious. I love how you can eat it. I mean, yeah. And then here comes the fun part, is to mix it together. It's like so messy, I'll have to clean it, oh my god. Okay, so let's just soak it in water so the cleaning can be easier later. And then I'm just gonna get some trash out first. It's so messy. So then we're gonna mix this guy up. Gonna really fold everything in. And then the scrub will be ready to go. And then you can see the consistency should look like a pasty look. Oh, I totally forgot. We're supposed to add 10 drops of essence oil. So this is eucalyptus. You can use whatever you like. And since I'm kind of running out, it's like really hard to squeeze out a drop. let's just do 10 drops. Or even just like use the whole thing. And this is supposed to be very nourishing for you. I feel like using, might just make more because I think this is like not enough. You can probably make more. In this case, it's like super fun. Oh, it smells so amazing. Like the eucalyptus smells really good. And you see how good it looks. We're super lazy sometimes, like when it comes to like homemade stuff, it's like not easy to make it like a store-bought looking thing, so just gonna try our best to do whatever we can to mix it. And we realize that it's impossible to be lazy and just mix in a container because this needs some surface area to put everything in, and it's hard to do it in a container. We need a mixing bowl. We can't skip this step. So this thing, you can like use it on your body. Like you probably like won't, you know, it's very good for your body. Like a nice scrub is always nice. So then I'm gonna drop it off at my parents' house, and then hopefully they will enjoy that. So then, okay, so then it looks like super nice, look at that. And it has like lots of oil in there. It's well mixed up. So we're gonna put it back into this container. So what we're gonna do is like pick it up and then put it in here, pick it up, put it in here, pick it up, put it in here. Gonna do it like this so you can see it. It's like super fun. And okay, so since there is still some room for a little bit more, you know, I feel like maybe we can do a little more. Just, oh my gosh, it looks so good, like super professional. Yeah, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. It looks completely like, it's just so amazing. I love it. So maybe just a little bit more, but not like too much because we have so much ingredients in here. So maybe just arbitrarily just add a little bit more. And then since this is kind of freestyle, you can do whatever you want with it. Like who cares if it's not exact. It's just a body scrub. And then since we got this avocado oil for only like 100 Hong Kong dollars, which is on sale, we might use it actually. Or we can use some extra, this one is already, we got it from before, so we just add a little bit of olive oil. And then we can also use a little bit of coconut oil. And then just mix everything up. Oops, it may be too much, but we'll see. And then some essential oil. Right, like what else do we need? Not really. Oh, honey. So this, as much as you like. And then you can add a little bit of honey, but maybe not because it has so much wet stuff already. So, see the consistency right now? It's like this. It's a dry scrub. But actually, a little bit of honey would be nice. Because like otherwise it's too like not good enough if it doesn't have honey, so we're just gonna arbitrarily add a little bit of honey to it. So then I'm gonna add honey and then fold everything back in. This will be like a top layer, the body scrub. And as you can see, once you add the honey, the consistency becomes really like a real scrub, like super nice. You know, this is like super nice. Oh god, it looks so good. You know, there is a brand in Hong Kong that is like they sell like sugar scrub and they're extremely expensive. it costs like almost like $400 just for like this amount of like a scrub, which is very insane. And it's not something that most people can afford. And then by doing so, like yourself, like what I'm doing now, you save a lot of money instead of like going to the store to do it. So then, again, you're gonna pour this guy into the bowl. It's a scrub. So then you're gonna put this guy in. Don't waste any bit of it, and then pat it nicely on top. So the yeah, it's so nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's just so amazing. It's so nice. It just like has 2 layers now because I just want to make it just fit to the container, and this amount just fits as I thought, and it falls really nice onto it. And yeah, this is really nice. So nice. Look at that, you know. Okay, so then don't waste any material. So everything don't come easy in life. Just gonna, okay, done. So now today's a Sunday. I'm gonna bring it to my family and they will enjoy this thing. I'm gonna dry the lid. This is like a recycled material from the takeouts. So yeah, we're gonna to show you like the side of it. This is like a body scrub with 2 different layers, and I'm gonna send it to family to use as a body scrub. So yeah, and hopefully they will enjoy it, and thank you for watching, and I hope you can try this recipe at home as well. And again, the ingredients is 3/4 of a cup of organic sugar, 1/4 of a cup of ground raw oats, 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil melted, and then 1/4 cup of waxing Cara honey, and 10 drops of essential oil. And instructions to mix in a small mixing bowl. Combine the dry ingredients and then mix them well. Add the wet ingredients and whisk them until smooth. Scoop some of the scrub mixture in your hands and massage gently onto the skin for a minute or 2, and leave it on for 5 minutes before soaking, and rinse it in your shower when you're all done. So that's the scrub. And everyone is asking me for a recipe, but like this recipe is like actually readily available online, so you can always just download it online and try it yourself. And the prep time is supposed to be only 5 minutes, but since we're talking while we're filming, so it took a little bit more than that. So enjoy your weekend scrub, body scrub, and thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.